Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to improve the quality of images with artificial intelligence for free. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the application store in Google Play or the App Store and download this application that appears to you now. After that, you open it and give it the permissions it needs to work. This version is free and paid. If you want to use the free version, it has ads. The paid version does not have ads. Now, after entering the application, you choose the image you want to improve. After that, you click on it, and when you click on it, an ad will appear, because we are using the free version. In a few seconds, you will find that the image has been successfully improved in quality. This is how it was before and after. Tell me in the comments what you think of this application. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.